Good morning, students of class 4th. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had completed Unit 16 Adjectives of your English grammar book. And children, today I'm going to start with Lesson 8 of your Wordsworth English Reader book, The Missile Man of India. So children, all of you, please take out your English notebooks and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 63. Children, please take out your English notebooks and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page 63, Lesson 8, The Missile Man of India. Now students, I'm sure all of you are familiar with this renowned personality. This is the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of our country, a great scientist. Now children, who was the first president of India? I'm sure all of you know that Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he was the first president of India. And you know that the former president of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was also a great scientist. Let us read more about his life through this lesson. So children, this lesson is about the life of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now children, before I start reading and explaining this lesson, let's understand and write the meaning of the new words of this lesson. Fine? So, now all of you please take out your notebooks as I'll be writing the word meanings of this lesson. Children, the first word which is coming also in the name of the lesson is missile. I hope सबको पता है missile क्या है ना? Missile missile is a weapon. Weapon जानते हैं ना, हथियार को बोलते हैं. A weapon that works with a remote. That works with a remote. All of you know about remote, है ना? You operate your television, your air conditioners with a remote. वो device कहीं पे है and with the help of remote you can control the device. Same way, weapon एक ऐसा हथियार है जिसको आप दूर कहीं भी remote से control कर सकते हैं. So, missile, a weapon that works with a remote. Then, the second word is accomplished. And accomplished means proficient. अब ये proficient का मीनिंग क्या है? Proficient means skilled या expert. किसी पर्टिकुलर काम में एकदम एक्सपर्ट होना, माहिर होना, है ना, उसको बोलते हैं accomplished या proficient. That means skilled or expert. Clear? Then the third word is ferried. And ferried means carried from one place to another in a small boat. एक छोटी सी नाव में लोगों को बैठा के एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ ले जाना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फेरी, है ना. एंड फॉर गोइंग अक्रॉस the river, you need to pay a small amount of money to the boatman. तो नाव में लोगों को एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ ले जाने को क्या बोलते हैं? फेरी. Then the fourth word is pilgrims. पिलग्रिम्स जो तीर्थ यात्रा पे लोग जाते हैं भगवान के दर्शन करने, उनको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? पिलग्रिम्स. सो पीपल गोइंग टू होली प्लेसेस. पिलग्रिम्स, पीपल गोइंग टू होली प्लेसेस, जो दर्शन करने के लिए तीर्थ यात्रा पे जाते हैं, तो उन तीर्थ यात्रियों को पिलग्रिम्स बोलते हैं. देन द फिफ्थ वर्ड इज एरोस्पेस. एंड एरोस्पेस मीन्स द साइंस ऑफ फ्लाइंग. साइंस ऑफ flying, especially in space. The science of flying, especially in space. स्पेस में उड़ने वाली जो साइंस है उसको एरोस्पेस बोलते हैं. Then the sixth word is launched. And launched means started. किसी भी चीज को शुरू करना, स्टार्ट करना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? launched. Then the seventh word is appointed. Appointed, किसी को किसी काम के लिए रखना. That is given a role or responsibility. है ना? कोई काम के लिए रखना और उसको सारी जिम्मेवारी दे देना. So appointed means given a role or responsibility. Then the eighth word is advisor. And advisor means जो एडवाइस करता है, a person सलाह देता है, जो who gives advice in a particular field. जो किसी एक खास फील्ड में एडवाइस देता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? एडवाइजर. क्लियर? सो आई होप अभी ये 8 word meanings all of you must have written. I'll revise, then I'll erase. First word is missile, a weapon that works with a remote. Second, accomplished, which means proficient, which means skilled or expert. Third word is ferried, and ferried means carried from one place to the another in a small boat. Fourth word is pilgrims. Pilgrims means people going to holy places. The fifth word is aerospace, that is the science of flying, especially in space. The sixth word is launched. Launched means started. Seventh word is appointed, that means given a role or responsibility. Eighth word is advisor, a person who gives advice in a particular field. Now I'm going to erase these and write the ninth one. And the ninth fill in the blank, children, is served. Served means worked. Served means worked. Then the 10th one is coordinator. And coordinator means a person who works with different teams. A person who works with different teams, जो अलग अलग टीमों के साथ काम करता है और सारे टीमों को जोड़ के रखता है. किसी भी टीम मेंबर को कोई प्रॉब्लम आई, कुछ आई, तो वो जो कोऑर्डिनेटर है वो उसको इशू को सॉल्व करता है. देन द 11th वर्ड इज रेसिपिएंट. And recipient means a person who gets something. जिसको जो कोई भी चीज रिसीव करता है, जिसको कोई चीज मिलती है, उसको रेसिपिएंट बोलते हैं. A person who gets something. Then the 12th word is integration. The 12th word is integration, which means unity. एकता, सबको एक साथ मिलजुल के रहने को इंटीग्रेशन बोलते हैं. Then the 13th word is doctorate. अब आपने सुना है ना कि बहुत सारे लोगों के नाम के आगे डॉक्टर लगा होता है, लेकिन वो वाले वो डॉक्टर नहीं होते हैं जो पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करते हैं. ये डॉक्टरेट एक डिग्री होती है ना. 12th करने के बाद ग्रेजुएशन होता है, उसके बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन होता है, और उसके बाद डॉक्टरेट करते हैं. किसी एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में आप बहुत मास्टर बन जाते हैं, ठीक है, उसको डॉक्टरेट बोलते हैं. हाँ, जैसे स्कूल में भी कई सारे टीचर्स हैं जो जिनके नेम के आगे डॉक्टरेट है, मतलब उन्होंने उतनी स्पेशलाइज पढ़ाई की है. राइट. So, and educational डिग्री, ये एक एजुकेशनल डिग्री है जिसको PhD भी बोलते हैं. ऑल्सो called PhD. Then the 14th word is authored. Authored मतलब किताब लिखना. Wrote. Authored, wrote, especially writing a book. And the last word is humble. Humble जिसको जरा भी घमंड ना हो. Modest, gentle. Modest or gentle. So with this we have finished the word meanings. I'll revise, then I'll erase, and then I'll be explaining the meaning of the phrases. The 9th word is served. Served means worked, काम करना. 10th word is coordinator, which means a person who works with different teams. 11th word is recipient, a person sorry, I forgot to write who gets something. All of you please write who. A person who gets something is known as the recipient, जिसको कुछ मिलता है. So please all of you write who. Then 12th is integration, which means unity, ekta. 13th word is doctorate, and doctorate, an educational degree also called PhD. 14th word is authored. Authored means wrote. 15th word is humble. Humble means modest or gentle, जिसको बिल्कुल भी घमंड नहीं. So I hope all of you have written these word meanings. Now there are some phrases also given in this lesson at the bottom of the pages. So I'm going to write and explain the meaning of the given phrases. And children, below the word meanings only, please write meaning of phrases. And the first phrase is widely read. Now, what do you mean by widely read? Widely read means read by a large number of people. बहुत सारे लोग जिसको पढ़ते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Widely read. Read by a large number of people. Widely read means read by a large number of people, जिसको बहुत सारे लोग पढ़ते हैं. Then the second phrase is breathed his last. आखिरी सांस लेना. उसके बाद that means die, मर जाना. So breathed his last means die, खत्म हो जाना. आखिरी सांस लेना कि मतलब उसके बाद सांस ही रुक जाएगी, तो that means one is dead. So now children, I have written and explained all the word meanings and meaning of these phrases. Now children, I'm going to read this lesson for you. So all of you, please turn to page 63 and listen carefully as I read lesson 8, The Missile Man of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is also known as the Missile Man of India. He was the 11th President of India as well as an accomplished scientist. The full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was Abdul Pakir Jainulabuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. His father was boat owner who ferried Hindu pilgrims from the Rameswaram temple in Tamil Nadu. As a child, Kalam worked as a paper boy after school to support his father. He had 4 brothers and 1 sister. He went on to study physics and graduated from the Madras University. He wanted to become a fighter pilot. He studied aerospace engineering and also completed a PhD in physics to become a scientist. Kalam was the project director at the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. He led many projects there and was extremely successful in each of them. In 1970, Kalam directed 2 projects, the Project Devil and Project Valiant, to develop missiles. Rohini 1 was launched under his leadership. The Agni and Prithvi missiles were also successfully launched under his leadership. Moreover, he was appointed as the Chief Executive of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. From the year 1992 to 1999, Kalam was appointed as the Chief Scientist Advisor to the Prime Minister of India and the Secretary of Defence and Research. During this time, Kalam also served as the Chief Project Coordinator for the Pokhran II nuclear test. After this, he came to be known as the Missile Man of India. In the year 2002, Kalam became the 11th President of India and served the country till the year 2007. Kalam was the proud recipient of the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan and the Bharat Ratna awards from the Indian government in the years 1981, 1990 and 1997 respectively. He was also awarded the Indira Gandhi National Award for National Integration in the year 1997. Kalam was awarded medals not only by the Indian government but also from the government of the USA. Kalam received doctorates from 40 universities. In addition to his work, he also authored a number of books. Amongst them, India 2020 was the most appreciated and widely read book. Ignited Minds, Mission India, Inspiring Thoughts are some of his other books. He also used to give lectures at many schools and colleges. Kalam loved young people and wanted to make a difference in their lives. Kalam breathed his last while giving a lecture at IIM Shillong. The entire world was saddened by the death of a simple, humble, and great man. About the lesson, this was the biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. A biography is a story of a person's life which is written by someone else. So children, this was the reading of lesson 8, The Missile Man of India. That's all for today. Now I'll be continuing with the explanation of this lesson in my next video. Till then, all of you, please do read this lesson at least 2 times thoroughly so that when I explain and do the comprehension exercises, you will be able to understand them easily. That's all for today. Thank you, children. Have a good day ahead.